How do I reset my Whirlpool refrigerator if it's not cooling?
Hello there. Today, we're tackling an issue that many of us face at some point. Our Whirlpool refrigerator isn't cooling as it should. Don't worry, though, because today, I'm going to show you how to reset it and hopefully get it back to optimal performance. It's important to note that this guide is a basic troubleshooting step, and it may not resolve all refrigerator cooling problems.
What do I need to start?
You won't need much for this process, just your Whirlpool refrigerator, obviously, patience. Sometimes problems solve themselves with a little bit of time.
How do I reset my Whirlpool refrigerator?
Alright, let's get into it. Here's the step-by-step process to reset your refrigerator. 1. Unplug the refrigerator. Locate your refrigerator's power cord and unplug it from the wall outlet. This might seem obvious, but it's the most fundamental step in resetting your refrigerator. 2. Wait a few minutes. Once the refrigerator is unplugged, it's crucial to wait at least 2 to 3 minutes before plugging it back in. This gives the refrigerator system time to fully reset. 3. Plug it back in. After waiting, plug your refrigerator back into the wall outlet. 4. Observe. Once your refrigerator is powered back on, you need to observe it for a while. Check whether the cooling is back to normal or not. It might take some time for the cooling system to kick in and reach the desired temperature, so give it a few hours before you judge its performance.
What if my refrigerator still isn't cooling?
If your refrigerator still isn't cooling after a reset, there might be a more severe problem at hand. It could be a mechanical issue, a freon leak, or maybe your temperature settings are incorrect. In this case, it's recommended to call a professional to diagnose and fix the problem. There you go. That's how you reset your Whirlpool refrigerator. Remember, this is a simple solution to a common problem, and it may not fix all cooling issues. If your refrigerator continues to have issues, don't hesitate to reach out to a professional. I hope this guide has been helpful, and thank you for watching.